I've never made a video like this one. This is unscripted and not really super planned, so just take caution, you have been warned. I decided to start learning Python not too long ago, just on my own, and one of the first things I wanted to create was an n-body orbit simulation. In this video, I'm not going to go deep into the code, but I'm just going to show you the initial conditions a little bit, then show you the results, and it'll be a great time. In this simulation, we're going to simulate 3 objects, each of course with an x value, y value, mass, radius, and a velocity in either direction. I could not be bothered to bring it to the 3rd dimension. It's going to be simulating for 15,000 simulation seconds with a time step of 1,000th of a second. Given these time constrained things, it's going to take quite a while, and since most people on YouTube don't want to watch a 30-minute video of someone doing literally nothing, I've decided to cut this video in a lot of places. You can see this progress bar below, and slowly it will fill up. After 17 minutes, it is now at 2/3. I'm going to cut a couple more times until we get there. Now it's almost done. It's around 26 minutes, and at 26 minutes and 40 seconds, it finishes. You can see on the chart the 3 objects, with the blue being number 1, black being number 2, and red being object number 3, as you can see above. If you look at the initial conditions, you can kind of get an idea of why the result is how it is. This chart here shows position over time in x and y, and you can see the big exponents. You can see how the black and blue objects go into their orbits, while the red object is actually completely balanced in their gravities and keeps going at the same velocity. Below here is a velocity over time chart, and using this you can figure out the periodicity of the orbits, as well as some interesting stuff, like seeing that the red orbit just goes completely straight at a completely constant velocity. The black object also has much bigger changes in velocity than the blue one, which I find quite interesting. Anyway, thank you for watching, somehow. Bye!